Hello student, today I explain exercise 7.2 question number 1. Find the coordinate of the point which divide the joint of -1, 7 and 4, -3 in the ratio 2:3. First we see the find the coordinate of the point which divide the joint of -1, 7 and 4, -3 in the ratio 2:3. And first we write down here point A and B. First point we see there -1, 7. B point is there 4, -3. In the ratio we write down the divide point P here x, y and ratio 2:3. And first point x1, y1, second point x2, y2, m1 and m2. Find the coordinate of point. We take the point here P, x, y. This point divide AB in the ratio 2:3. Now using section formula, we find out the point of coordinate. Using section formula, x value m1 x2 m2 x1 m1 m2, y value m1 y2 m2 y1 m1 m2, x m1 2, x2 value 4, m2 value 3, x1 value -1, m1 plus m2 meaning 2 plus 3, x 4 to the 8 -3, 3 into -1 -3 upon 5, 5 upon 5, 5 cancel 1. Now y value m1 y2, m1 value 2, y2 value -3, m2 value 3, y1 value 7, m1 plus m2, 2 into -3 -6, 21 upon 5, y equal 21 minus 6 upon 5, y 21 minus 6, 15 upon 5, cancel 5 is 3. Therefore point P, x, y 1, 3. Answer, you see the question number 2. Find the coordinate of the point of trisection of the line segment joining 4, -1 and -2, -3. Trisection meaning 3 equal part is there. And you see the one line is there A and B. We divide into 3 equal part is there AP, PQ and QB. Then you find out the coordinate of P and Q. Is first point P and Q divide AB 3 equal part, AP equal PQ equal QB. Then whenever you are finding the point P, you see the here part 1 and part 2. Then 1:2 apply to here. Whenever you find out the point Q, you see there AQ2 and QB one part is there. You apply to the ratio here 2:1. Now we are taking the case first find P. Whenever you finding point P, you see there one part, here 2 part, 1:2. Now P point A 4, -1, B -2, -3. Here write down the x1 y1, here write down the x2 y2 and P value x, y. X and y value find out using the ratio m1 ratio m2 1:2. This one is m1, this one is m2. m1 ratio m2 1:2. Now x value using section formula m1 x2 m1 x1 m1 l2 m1 s2 m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. Y value m1 y2 m2 y1 m1 m2. Y value m1 y2 plus m2 y1 m1 plus m2. Now you put the value m1 1, x2 value minus 2, m2 value 2, x1 value 4, m1 plus m2 1 plus 2, x minus 2 plus 8 upon 3, 8 minus 2 6 upon 3 2. Now y value find out. M1 had 1, y2 value minus 3, m2 value 2, y1 value minus 1. M1 plus m2 1 plus 2, y minus 3 minus 2 upon 3 minus 5 upon 3. Therefore, point P x comma y equals 2 comma minus 5 upon 3. Answer. Now you take the case second. Find the point Q. First again we take the line A, B and Q point you take it here. Then A point 4 comma minus 1, B point minus 2 comma minus 3. As ratio you are using 2 and 1. Okay, second find point Q. Q find you are finding here and apply to the ratio here. M1 ratio M2 equal 2 ratio 1. Using the section formula, x equal m1 x2 m2 x1 m1 plus m2. m1 value see there 2, x2 value minus 2 plus m2 value 1, x1 value 4, m1 plus m2 2 plus 1 minus 4 plus 4 upon 3 0 upon 3 0. Now you find out the y value m1 y2 m2 y1 m1 plus m2 m1 value 2 y2 value minus 3 m2 value 1 y1 value minus 1 upon 2 plus 1 minus 6 minus 1 upon 3 y value minus 7 upon 3. Therefore Q point 0 comma minus 7 upon 3. Answer. Now two answer is there. P 2 comma minus 5 upon 3, Q 0 comma minus 7 upon 3. Answer. This is the question number 3 solution. Niharika ran 1/4 of AD 1 upon 4 into AD distance is given 100, then 100 divided by 4 25 meter. Preet ran 1/5 of AD 1 upon 2 into 100 20 meter is there. Now asking the question, find the distance between Niharika and Preet. Then using the distance formula we are finding at 2 comma 25 8 comma 20. As the second row 25 distance, 8th row 20 meter distance is there. Now distance NP using distance formula x2 minus x1 scale plus y2 minus y1 scale 8 minus 2 plus 20 minus 25 scale 8 minus 2, 6 square, 20 minus 25, minus 5 square, 36 plus 25 equal 6 plus 5, 1, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6. Answer. Now, in the questions, one more bulk is coming for in middles, then where she post the flame. Now, once again, we make it there. Here, Niharika and Preet, and the two, 25 and Preet, 8 and 20. Niharika and Preet between Rashmi is coming. We write on the R here, and this point we find out x comma y. R is coming to middle only. Then using the midpoint formula, we find out the x and y. X equal x1 plus x2 upon 2. Y1 plus y2 upon 2. x2 plus 8 upon 2. 10 upon 2. 5 y1 plus y2. 25 plus 20 upon 2. 45 upon 2. And 45 divided by 2, 22.5. Therefore, Rashmi post flag fifth row, distance 22.5 meter. Answer. Now see the question number 4. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining the point minus 3, 10 and 6, minus 8 is divided by minus 1, 6. Now we started there and asking about the ratio. First we make the one line A and B and divided point we write on the P and ratio M1, ratio M2. Suppose here ratio M1, ratio M2. Then P point divided AB in the ratio M1, ratio M2. Joining the point is given minus 3, 10 and 6, minus 8 divided by minus 1, 6. That point is there minus 1, 6. Find the ratio. And right on the left, the ratio equal M1 ratio M2. Here we write down x1, y1. Here x, y. Here we write down x2, y2. Here you see the x equal minus 1 is given. X equal minus 1 given. Therefore, using section formula, x section formula, m1 s2, m2 x1, m1 plus m2 equal minus 1. m1 value m1, x2 value 6, m2 value m2 only, x1 value minus 3, m1 plus m2 equal minus 1. Now cross multiply 6 m1 plus into minus write down, plus into minus 3 m2 and cross multiply minus 1 multiply m1 minus m1 minus 1 multiply plus m2 minus m2. Now side change m1 together write down and m1 and m2 together, this side change it there, m2 minus m2, 6 plus 1 7 m1, 3 minus m2, then 2 m2. Now m1 upon m2 write down, 2 upon 7 is coming, therefore m1 ratio m2 equal 2 ratio 7. Whenever you are taking the y equal 6, then same answer is coming, then no need of finding y, then m1 m2. Directly 1 enough for this one, therefore m1 and 2 equal to raise to 7 answers.